The idea that monarchy is the best form of government is subjective. It depends on values, context, and historical perspective. That said, here are the most commonly argued reasons why some believe monarchy, especially constitutional monarchy, can be a superior form of governance. A monarch provides a symbol of national unity that remains constant across decades or even generations. Unlike elected leaders who change every few years, monarchs offer continuity, especially during times of political crisis or transition. Example: Queen Elizabeth II was a constant presence in British life for over 70 years, guiding the nation through war, decolonization, and social upheaval without taking political sides. Constitutional monarchs typically stay out of partisan politics, which allows them to act as neutral symbols of the nation. They can represent all citizens, not just voters from a particular party. This helps reduce political polarization and gives people a figure they can respect regardless of who is in power. Monarchies often serve as living links to a country's history, culture, and traditions. The rituals, ceremonies, and symbolism of the monarchy help maintain a sense of identity and continuity in a fast-changing world. In places like Denmark, Japan, and the UK, the monarchy is seen as part of the soul of the nation. In moments of national emergency, a monarch can be a unifying force, someone who commands respect without the baggage of political rivalry. King Harald V of Norway spoke powerfully after national tragedies, offering comfort without political agenda. Many argue that constitutional monarchies are less expensive than presidential systems, especially where ceremonial presidents have similar roles to monarchs, but cost more to elect and maintain. Royals are often trained from childhood in public service, diplomacy, and protocol. While not elected, they are raised with the idea that their entire life must be one of duty and sacrifice, not ambition or self-interest. Monarchs often serve as effective ambassadors, building long-term diplomatic relationships because they outlast political administrations and are seen as trustworthy, enduring representatives of their nations. While not perfect, a well-functioning constitutional monarchy can offer a unique blend of stability, unity, and tradition, especially when paired with a strong democratic parliament. It provides a head of state who embodies continuity without interfering in politics, giving nations a source of identity beyond the shifting winds of elections. If you enjoyed this deep dive into monarchy and power, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. More royal stories and hidden histories are just around the corner,